Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Sudo Finance airdrop. Now Sudo Finance is another airdrop on the Sui network and is basically a decentralized exchange or a DeFi protocol for dealing into perpetuals on the Sui network. So if you are more into futures, you can start using Sudo Finance. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link in the description, which will give you up to 30,000 USDT as sign up bonus, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505 at the time of sign up. Now once you create an account on Bybit, you would be getting exclusive access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now in order to farm the Sudo Finance airdrop, you will need to have a SUI wallet. If you don't have a SUI wallet, simply go to Google and search for SUI wallet and add this to your Chrome browser. Alternatively, you can also use some other SUI wallets like Surf wallet. Now please note that while creating a SUI wallet, I would recommend is creating it with passphrase rather than ZK wallet or Google login. The reason being, if Sui wallet is down for let's say a couple of hours or so, you won't be able to access any of your funds. But if you have a passphrase derived account, you can import the same wallet in other Sui wallet like Surf wallet, or maybe there are multiple options available on App Store or Play Store. Now once you have a Sui wallet, simply head to Sudo Finance, all the links in the description, so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. And then the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your Sui wallet over here. And once you go ahead and connect your Sui wallet, simply click on this and create your own domain name. So in this case, I've already created Crypto Insight, for example, and creation of this is absolutely free. So the second option is creating your own domain name, and it's powered by Sui Name services, and they have recently done an airdrop for NS tokens. Now please note that creation of this domain name is absolutely free, so you don't have to pay any gas fees or Sui. Now Sudo Finance, since it deals in futures or perpetuals, you can place long or short orders. So only deal in futures if you know what you're doing, because there is a high risk of margin call or liquidation, and you can take up to 10x of leverage. And as you can see, these pairs are powered by Pith Oracle. So I've been dealing in futures in crypto for the past 4 to 5 years, so I'm well versed with this. But if you are not, then you can skip it. Now the main part is go to earn, and as you can see, there is this SLP pool. So this is Sudo Liquidity Provider Pool. Now please note that you can also go ahead and mint this SLP pool. So let's say if I have like one Sui right now, and if I want to go ahead and mint SLP, it will give me around 2 SLP. Now please note that this SLP is capped at 1 million. So anything after a million, you won't be able to mint this SLP. Now you can earn 1.5x Sudo points bonus for providing liquidity. So simply head a bit down, and as you can see, there are a lot of liquidity pool option available, and for some of the tokens or coins, the cap has already reached. So if you want to go ahead and deposit, let's say Sui or VSui. VSui is basically a Volo stake Sui. It's more like a liquid stake Sui, and the same case is AF Sui. So you can go ahead and deposit them in order to earn some APR. And also there is this Buck deposit vault. So Buck is basically a stable coin on the Sui network, which is called as Bucket. And then there is this Buck to SLP mint dash. Now the campaign has already concluded, so it's better to go for any of these liquidity provisions. So you will start earning this SLP points as soon as you go ahead and mint and provide liquidity. And as you can see, the total supply of SLP is around 250,000. So still around 700,000 SLP is yet to be minted, and the total fee is around 443,000 US dollars. Now they also have a swap feature on Sudo Finance where you would be able to swap your Sui for different coins and tokens. So there is further Pug, then there is Citus Protocol, then there is Hasui and Sakabam, which is also a meme coin. The Navi Protocol. This is basically a liquid stake Sui. So the options are limited. I'm not sure what WSB is because I tried searching it on CoinMarketCap and also on CoinGecko, but I'm able to see this Wall Street bets on different chain. I think this one is a different WSB. I will need to go ahead and research about it. Then they also had this S card. Now I'm not able to go ahead and purchase this. In the past I've purchased S card on other wallets, and all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and level up your S card. So the more SLP you have, more you would be able to level up your S card. I think this will give you some additional benefits with regards to airdrop on the Sudo Finance. And over here, if you already have an existing S card, then you would be able to track your points and claim different transactions. And then there is this leaderboard. So as you can see, few of the people have accumulated a decent amount of points, and I think these people would be getting the highest number of Sudo Finance airdrop in the future. So this is all for this video with regards to how you can go ahead and farm the Sudo Finance airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.